The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision air-based missile strikes near Kharkov have hit temporary deployment points of the 92nd Mechanized Brigade Battalion and the 122nd Battalion of the 113th Territorial Defense Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces. The enemy suffered losses of up to 150 servicemen and 14 vehicles and armored vehicles. Russian Aerospace Forces strikes against the combat positions of the 105th and the 106th battalions of the 63rd Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces have destroyed up to 70 nationalists and 14 units of automotive equipment near Belogorka in Kherson Region and Pavlovka in Nikolaev Region. Russian Aerospace Forces have destroyed up to 30 servicemen and 5 vehicles of the 18th Battalion of the 35th Marine Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Novopoltavka in Nikolaev Region. Russian Aerospace Forces and missile troops' precision strikes at Ukrainian nationalist temporary deployment points have resulted in the mass casualties and mercenary desertions. Kraken nationalist formation has lost its combat efficiency in Kharkov direction. In order to make up for losses urgently, the commanders of the Nazi formation unsuccessfully tried to force the citizens of Kharkov to join it. Operational, tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes continue against military facilities in Ukraine. 5 command posts have been hit, including those of the Ukrainian Solidar Task Force Group near Chasov Yar in Donetsk People's Republic and the 63rd Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Belaya Krynytsa in Kherson Region, as well as 117 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. Ammunition depots of the 66th, 110th Mechanized and 56 motorized infantry brigades near Vodinoye, 5 ammunition depots near Krasnogorovka, Novomikhailivka and Artomovsk, and 1 fuel depot near Novomikhailivka in Donetsk People's Republic have been destroyed. During counter-battery warfare, 1 battery of Uragan multiple launch rocket systems near Ocheretino, 1 battery of Akatsiya self-propelled artillery systems near Krasnoye, and combat vehicles of American HIMARS multiple launch rocket systems near Kramatorsk have been hit. 3 platoons of Grad MLRS near Kodema, Mayaki and Adamovka, 4 artillery platoons of Msta B guns, and 2 platoons of Gyatsind B guns at firing positions near Soledar, Artomovsk, Veselove, Dzerzhinsk, Maximilianovka and Antonovka in Donetsk People's Republic have been suppressed. Russian air defense means have shot down 7 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Kirillovka, Mandrykino, Kropivnitskoye in Donetsk People's Republic, Barvenkovo, Dolginkoye, Savintsy in Kharkov region, and Barvinok in Kherson region. 3 Ukrainian .U ballistic missiles have been intercepted in the air near Prudanka, Kharkov region, and Novaya Kakhovka, Kherson region. Also, 19 rockets of US-made HIMARS MLRS have been shot down in the air near Sukhaya Kamenka in Kharkov region, Melitopol in Zaporozhye region, and Antonovka in Kherson region. In total, 263 Ukrainian airplanes and 145 helicopters, 1,708 unmanned aerial vehicles, 363 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,269 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 791 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,276 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,774 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.